iPadOS is out now and anyone can go ahead and install it. But if you are one of those who wants to get the sneak peek of the latest version before anyone does, the only way for you out there is to install the developer beta, which is not possible until you get the developer account from Apple by paying them $99 per year. But the thing is that we are here to show you how you can actually install the developer betas on your iPad without paying Apple even a single cent. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this. Now before we get started, I just want to let you guys know that the developer betas are extremely buggy, and if you want less buggier option, you can always go for the public beta. I will leave a link in the description below from where you can actually go ahead and download the public betas. So yeah, if you're looking for the less buggier method, you can go ahead and download the public beta. But if you are okay with the bugs, then yeah, you can go with the developer beta. So let's go ahead and do this.
Alright, so firstly what you have to do is go to Safari. You cannot use any other web browser for this to work. And then you have to visit this website. I will leave a link in the description down below, and just scroll down a little bit until you find this iOS 13 plus iPadOS beta profile, and click on download, and after that click on download anyways. After that you will get this pop-up. Click on allow, and after that you will see that the profile is downloaded. Now what you have to do is close this. Now before you say anything, yes, I have already installed the iPadOS on my iPad, but the process will be similar for you as well. So what you have to do now is go to settings and go to general, and then scroll down to profile. And now here you will see this. What you have to do is click on this option right here and click on install, and now enter your passcode. After that you will see this equipment. Just you can ignore it and click on install, and then click on install once again. And restart is always required when you install this profile, so restart. So what you have to do now is go to the settings and then go to general and go to software updates. Now as I'm on the latest version, no software pop-ups for me as of now, but for you it will show the iPadOS 13 software updates. It will be around 3 gigabytes. So yeah, anyways, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. I will surely answer them. And yeah, talk to you guys in the next one.